Hi guys, this is Born Set Boy. I deal with phone repair here. I'm the best in Kenya, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove cracks on your phone without replacing the complete screen. Because you find that the cost of this screen is very high, and so I will try as much as possible to reduce the cost of the screen. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how I normally work here at my workshop.
Like and subscribe and comment down below.
Yeah. So guys, this is Tecno Spark 5 here. All you have to do, we are going to remove these cracks here. As you can see, the phone have many cracks. So I will remove all these cracks here, and then we are going to be left with a LCD, working LCD. Then I will laminate that screen, and it will work perfectly. The advantages of doing that is you find that you are left with the original LCD. Your LCD is your display screen. So you'll be left with the original LCD, and it has the best clarity. We shall start by opening this phone here. So let me open this phone. Then after that, I will disconnect the battery here from the motherboard. This is the battery cable here. So I will disconnect it, and the screen cable. This is the screen cable. So let me disconnect those two and proceed from there. Now this is the screen. This is what will be separating. So I will be cutting this top glass here, and I will replace it with a new one. So I will do that using this machine here. This is a separating machine, and I will do it using it. So this machine here uses indirect heat. So I will adjust here the temperature so that it can heat a bit faster. Then I will use this separating wire here to cut the screen. So let me do it very slowly here. So let me do it. As you can see, that wire is passing in between the LCD and the top glass, so it will remove all these cracks here. Then after that, I will remove all these glue here. So I will remove all these glue so that the screen can be clean. So to do it easily, I will use this glue remover here. This will help me remove it easily. So let me use it. So after that, I will clean further using this home dry here to make sure there is no particle left behind. So let me do it. Then after cleaning, I will test whether the screen is still working. So let me do it. So far so good, the screen is perfectly working, so let us proceed. Then after doing that, I will take my new top glass here and I will fix it. Then I will align it on the LCD here, perfect free. So let me do it. Then I will laminate it here, making sure that there is no air bubbles left behind. So let me do it. So as you can see, I've done it perfect free and there is no air bubbles left behind. So I will not use air bubbles remover machine. So from there I will fix it. So let me fix it. After doing that, I will clean my phone using home dry, and as you can see, I've done it very perfect free and now it is as clean as new. So thank you so much. I think by now you have an idea on how things work here on my workshop. So if you have a phone which have cracked like those one and you want to replace it as early as now before it reaches the LCD screen inside your phone, you can do that. You can just comment below this video and I will direct you my location and we will do that in just a matter of minutes. Thanks so much for watching.